Hello. So, we have Pikachu here. Awesome. And this is like, I'm not really sure. Oh, you can't see it. It's some kind of adhesive. So, just gonna get this off. Which is a huge pain. Okay. And then we place Pikachu. Can you tell I'm not very good at this? So I'll use it on, I'm not going to be using it again. Place Pikachu on the sticky side. There's Pikachu. Then you have to, I'll just use scissors because I'm lazy. You have to burnish it, get all the air bubbles out of it. Oops. Again, you can't even see what I'm doing. That should be good enough. And get it wet. And then you can take a sponge, just rub it. And you just gotta like dig in with your fingers. Don't be afraid. And it all comes off. I don't know if you can see or not. And if you do it really hard enough, all that white will come off all around him. But I'm lazy and I want to get back to the computer, so I'm not going to spend all my time doing it. I'll finish him up later, maybe. And there you have it. There's Pikachu. This would be sticky side on packing tape, but whatever this is, doesn't stay sticky through water. So I just put it through a sticker thingamajigger. And that is that. This has been Tutorial Time with Brian. I hope you've enjoyed it. I haven't, because I suck at it. Talk to you later.